my channel, and we're back at it again. So today I just decided I'm gonna clean my room. It wasn't that dirty, but it was kind of dirty, you know, where it was dirty, where it disturbs your way of thinking or your mind. It kind of makes you depressed and stuff. So I decided to clean my room. So watch me clean my room. And also today was wash day for me today, and this is how I slick back my hair. So if you guys want a tutorial on how I slick down my hair, leave it in the comments. Leave it in the comments. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Come. You want to tell me that I did not lay down my hair? Mind you, I have 4C 4B hair, and I didn't even use that much product. I didn't even use an edge control. Can you believe that? With two products, a leave-in and a gel that I just tried, a gel that it's my first time using it, and I think I'm gonna get me 2 more. Wait, what's that? Oh, okay. Hey cuties, I'm back. So I want to be straightforward with you guys. There's not gonna be a time lapse with music like all the other videos. It's gonna be just a plain video with a very minimal editing, and you guys are just gonna watch me clean my tiny room from a distance. Like, I just wanted you guys to hear like the soothing sounds of the birds in the background, and I wanted to make it kind of like an ASMR type video, because I just feel like editing out all this like really nice and soothing sounds will just take away from my video in who I am as a person. So I just wanted you guys to just watch me clean my room, and please guys, don't come for my looks in the comments, because I wanted this to be as pure as possible. Or how can I say, I wanted you guys to see me for who I am, not picture perfect. This is how I normally am. This is how I look when I wake up. My face is puffy, swollen. I have boogers in my eyes, obviously. But yeah, this is me, guys. This is me. So what I was doing right here was just shaking up my bed, trying to get the baby powder a little bit out of my sheets, because I know you guys are gonna be like, what's that white stuff on your bed? That's just baby powder. And yeah, last time I used baby powder in a scented powder for my sheets. I just love how it smells. It just makes me feel clean. So yeah, that's why I'm putting some more in it. Look. I'm putting some more powder on my sheets. I just love it. Don't mind me. Yeah, but yeah, this is how I do things in my room. Yeah, so just watch me clean my room. I wish I had better angles for you guys, but it was just like a lot of I just have one camera, guys. Like, I'm looking into investing in another one so that I can give you guys at least 2 angles or a view from somewhere else, you know. As you guys can see, my room is pretty small and it's blue. You guys probably think I love blue. Yes, I do love blue a lot, specifically this type of blue, or a baby blue kind of thing. I love blue, guys. I love blue so much. What are my other favorite colors? Yeah, I love blue and yellow or mustard. Yes, and obviously staples white and black. I also like really earthy colors, to be honest, but I do drift towards blue most of the times. Oh, I know guys, I know you saw it. I saw it too, and I've been wearing my sleeping pants like this. I think I was dancing. I was dancing and it just burst, like and I haven't fixed it since it burst. Yeah. So yeah, as you saw in the beginning of the video, I did wash my hair today. You can see how crusty and dusty my hair looks, so I did wash my hair today and I slicked it back, and I think it looks really cute. It looks really cute. And if you guys want to see a video of me doing my hair, I can record one for you guys, because I just used 2 products and I can't believe it. I can't believe that I only used 2 products: a leave-in and Jackie's leave-in conditioner, and perfect touches gel, the wet look. Yeah, and it doesn't, my hair doesn't feel hard at all, but it does have a good hold, but my hair doesn't feel hard at all, like how other gels be getting your hair like really hard and stuff. It doesn't feel hard at all. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, just let me know in the comments. And also please do watch my other videos and like them and share them. Please share them and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, help your girl out, help my channel grow. Like, yo, you guys don't even understand how much effort I'm putting into this, like, but I really love doing it though. I want to make YouTube like my video diary. That's why I'm trying to keep it like less influencer like. I don't know if I want to be an influencer. I don't really even post on Instagram or anything, but like I just want YouTube to be my video diary. So please guys, help me out. Please like, comment and subscribe. So let me love and leave you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Ciao.